Hello, my name is Naufal R A. I'm for SKL 3F. In here, I want to explain about electrical instrumentation of hydropower plant, electrical equipment and control. First of all, hydropower. The objective of hydropower same is to convert the potential energy of a mass of water flowing a steam with a certain value to the turbine into electric energy at the lower end of the same where the powerhouse is located. The power output from the same is proportional to the flow and to the head. Hydropower potential in Indonesia. Water energy is a very potential source of renewable energy in Indonesia. If the utilization of energy is carried out widely through in Indonesia, the opportunity to get out of the energy crisis will be greater. According to the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources (ESDM), mini or macro hydropower plant of 770 megawatt and the potential of hydropower plant Indonesia is estimated as 75,000 megawatt. Of this potential, only about 6% have been developed. Application of hydropower plant. There are following of major application of hydro plant. The first is the generation of electric power. Two, storage of irrigation water to control the flood in the river. And the last, storage of drinking water supply. This is a block diagram hydropower. Element of hydropower dams. The movement of water can be used to make electricity. Intake water intake is water intake must be able to divert the required amount of water into a power canal or into a penstock without producing a negative impact of the local environment. Penstock is the water. The reservoir is considered store energy. When the gate open, the water flowing through the penstock become kinetic energy because it is in motion. Turbine. Water turbine are mostly like windmill with replace the wind thrust function to rotate the propeller replaced by water turn to turbine. Generator. The generator is connected to the turbine rotating here so that when the turbine blade rotate, the generator also rotate. The generator then convert the mechanical energy from the turbine into a electrical energy. Transformer. A transformer is a device that transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another to a share magnetic field. Outflow. Used water is carried to pipelines, tail, tailrace, and re-enter the river downstream. Powerhouse. In the scheme of hydropower, the role of powerhouse is to protect the electromechanical equipment that convert the potential energy of water into electricity. How to be how to be turbine and generator work to generate electricity. The first, the hydraulic turbine will convert the energy of following water into mechanical energy, where the turbine connected to the generator will be driven so that the hydroelectric generator convert this mechanical energy into electricity. Two, the operating of the generator is based on the principle discovered by Faraday. Faraday discovered that when a magnet is moved across a conductor, electricity will flow. Three, in large generator, an electromagnet is created by passing direct current through a loop of wire coil around a pile magnetic steel laminate file pull and mount the perimeter of the rotor. The rotor attached to the turbine shaft will start rotating at a constant speed. For when the rotor rotated, it causes the field pulse electromagnetic to move through the conductor installed in the stator until finally there will be electricity flow and voltage at generator output terminal. Control room. Control room or operating room is a space that functions as a central room, where large physical facility or physical disparate service can be monitored and controlled. The control room will often be part of large command center. Control room in the plant serve as a room that's become the center of supervision of all component of hydropower as well as a place of DCS control hydropower. Control center. Every condition in its unit, from generating unit to distribution substation, can be monitored, measured, and controlled from the control center. Supervisor Control and Data Acquisition, or SCADA. SCADA is a computer-based electrical power control system. The regulation of electrical power in the interconnected system is carried out by the load control center. The speed and accuracy of the information data is needed so that the control can be done quickly, precisely. In general, the process of function of SCADA one is the process of data collection and delivery. Two, process monitoring. Three, process control. And the last, calculation and reporting process. Telecontrolling, namely the operating of switching equipment at the substation of generating center, which is far from the control center. Telecontrolling is used to open and close the 150 kilovolt set of the PMT, both for the line feeder and for the distribution transformer. This is a process of telecontrolling. And two is telesignaling or teleindicasi, namely collection information about system condition and operating indication, then displaying it on the control center in real time. Any change in system condition can be immediately detected without waiting for a report from operator at substation and power plant. And this is a telesignaling process. Telemetering, namely carrying of measurement of the electric power system quantities in all part of the system, then displaying them on the control center. The quantities that can be measured are as a follow: busbar voltage, active and reactive power generating unit, active and reactive power transformer, the active and reactive power of the conductor, and the last is a system frequency. And this is a telemetering process. I think it's enough. Thank you for the attention.